and you've tuned in to 67.1 FM. And I'd like to tell you something about Gaurav Vasani today. And Gaurav Vasani was supposed to be an evaluator for me in Feb when everyone was, Corona? What Corona? Mumbai doesn't get affected by anything. We have had terrorist attacks and nothing. But yeah, we're in the lockdown now. So in Feb, I was supposed to give a speech, and Gaurav was supposed to be my evaluator. And as I entered the National College, he was the first person that I saw. And before I even gave my evaluation sheet to him, he said to me, "Wow, I am your evaluator today, and this is gonna be one of my toughest jobs today." And that's the kind of person he is. He was encouraging and being empathetic to me even before he started evaluating me. That's the kind of veteran I'm talking about today. He asked me to introduce him as a rookie RJ, and I don't think that's right. He's been a legend, he's been a veteran. He's been the reason why all of us get our videos on time because he's been working day in and day out, creating and editing those videos for us. Let's welcome Gaurav Vasani, our team mod for today, who's going to take us through MTM Matinee. Over to you, Gaurav.
Ok, parfait.
Tuning in to 67.1 FM. Good morning, Toastmasters and guests. Welcome to Mumbai Toastmasters weekly radio show, MTM Matinee, full on entertainment. I am RJ Vasani, and along with RJ Rujuta and RJ Dimple, we will be providing you an immersive radio experience along with the normal Toastmasters meeting. And do not forget, after the mentor circle discussions, our Zoom master Devashish has arranged for a karaoke singing session. So stay tuned right till the end. Now, when we talk about films, we ought to mention Amitabh Bachchan. When we talk about cricket, we ought to mention Sachin Tendulkar. And much in the same way, a conversation about radio is incomplete without the mention of this personality. Now, I will not tell you the name of the person, but just play this clip because his voice is truly his identity. So let's listen in.
आहा, आपका जाना पहचाना संगीत गूंजा और देखिए जाग उठी मधुर मशहूर फिल्म संगीत के बचपन। अरे भाई यही तो हैं वो सुरमई मनभावन यादें। जी हाँ, यही दुनिया के सबसे ज्यादा लंबे अरसे तक चलने वाले रेडियो प्रोग्राम गीत माला के इस नए सिलसिले में, जिसका प्यारा सा नाम है गीत माला की छाव में। इस रसीली झूमती मुस्कुराती।
So any guesses who this person is? You all can reply in the chat section. What is the name of this personality? Absolutely right. I can see the responses pouring in, and absolutely right. So we are talking about none other than the doyen of radio industry in India, Amin Sayani ji. Now, and I did not want to, because this was a radio show, this was a meeting on the theme of radio, I did not want to start the meeting before paying tribute to Amin Sayani ji. Now, we will start. So for the benefit of Toastmasters and guests, I will explain the meeting structure first. The meeting today will be divided into 3 sections. The first section is the prepared speech section. Now this is where members of Mumbai Toastmasters who have practiced this speech over the past couple of weeks, worked it out, fine-tuned it with their mentors, will be delivering the speeches today. And today we will have a total of 4 prepared speeches. The second section is the table topic section, which will be conducted by RJ Rujuta. Now, the table topic session is a 2-minute impromptu speaking session, and the third session is the general evaluation session, which will be conducted by our club vice president education, RJ Dimple Mehta. The general evaluation session is a feedback session for the speeches given by the prepared speakers. So these are the three sessions that we'll be having today. And like I told you, after the meeting ends, after we are done with the mentor circle discussions, we will be having the karaoke session as well. Now, just as Amin Sayani ji is important to the radio industry, we have role bearers who are important to our meeting. Now, we have a total of 4 role bearers. So I'll start introducing them now. The first role bearer is Toastmaster, is the timer 1 for today's meeting. May I please request Toastmaster Tanvi Valunsh to take the stage and explain her role as timer 1 for today's meeting. Toastmaster Tanvi. Now our next role player is the timer 2, and I will be extremely careful when I'm introducing him. And what I've done is basically I asked him what is his favorite song. I'll be playing his favorite song, and then I'll tell you why am I doing him this favor. So here's the song which the timer 2 has requested.
तू जो रूठा तो कौन हंसेगा, तू जो छूटा तो कौन रहेगा, तू चुप है तो ये डर लगता है, अपना मुझको अब कौन कहेगा.
So while I've done him a favor of playing his favorite song, I will let you all guess the reason why. I would like to now invite Toastmaster Sarvadnya to take up the stage and explain the role of timer 2. Right, Toastmaster Dipanshi to explain the role of an R counter. May we have Toastmaster Dipanshi on the stage, please. Our next role player is a Toastmaster who is good with words. May I please request Toastmaster Aditya Kumar to come up on stage and explain the role of a grammarian. Toastmaster Aditya Kumar. Thank you so much, Toastmaster Aditya. We will now start with the prepared speeches section. Today we have two icebreaker speeches, which is there are 2 members who are going to give their very first prepared speech at MTM, and one of the icebreaker speakers mentioned that his favorite radio moment is that during rainy season he likes to eat pakoras and listen to songs on radios. Now I guess I can't help out with the pakoras, but I can definitely help out with a rain song. So here goes a rain song for both our icebreaker speakers.
टिप टिप बरसा पानी, टिप टिप बरसा पानी, पानी आग लगाई, आग लगी दिल में तो दिल को तेरी याद.
So here we have our first speaker for today. Our first speaker for today is Toastmaster Motion, but before I invite him on stage, I would like to invite Toastmaster Pankaj Pradhan to read out his project objectives. Toastmaster Pankaj. Now again, since this is an icebreaker speech, I will request that at the end of a speech, we give him an applause to encourage. Toastmaster Motion. So Toastmaster Motion. Are you
Hi, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, Toastmaster Motion. Audible, visible. Thank you so much, Toastmaster Motion, for that wonderful speech. And you've so on our second speaker is also an icebreaker speech from the path Dynamic Leadership. The second speech will be by Toastmaster Krishna, but before I invite him on stage, I would like to request Toastmaster Vineet to read out the speech objective. Thank you so much, Toastmaster Vineet. Toastmaster Krishna, can we spotlight Toastmaster Krishna, please? Thank you so
Hi,
much.
am I audible? Am I visible?
Yes, Toastmaster Krishna, you're audible and visible both. Toastmaster Krishna, Destiny. Destiny, Toastmaster Krishna. Toastmaster Krishna, what an amazing speech. We will now interact with a few guests that have joined us for today's meeting. I can see a few guests. Can we unmute guest Chitra, please? Guest Chitra, if you can unmute and you can switch on your video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Chitra.
Okay, I was unable to unmute myself. Yeah.
No issues. I mean, tech glitch and radio go hand in hand, so absolutely no issues. Guest Chitra, first of all, welcome to Mumbai Toastmasters. I can see you have a colleague in case she wants to join in.
No, she's my daughter, not
Oh,
colleague.
okay, awesome. So, guest Chitra, I would like you to introduce yourself in 30 seconds, and we would like to know your name and how did you come to know about Mumbai Toastmasters?
Okay, my name is Chitra Kalmardi. I'm from Mumbai and I work for NTT. Krishna is my colleague. So recently we have joined the NTT Toastmaster Asia Pacific. So we just want to know how this Toastmaster club work and all. And we came to know that Krishna is a part of Mumbai Toastmaster. So he was kind enough to extend the invite to us. So just came in as a guest over here. And Krishna, amazing speech. Just loved it. Destiny, very nice, beautiful.
Awesome. Nothing like audience feedback, Toastmaster Krishna. Now, guest Chitra, what we'll do is, because this is a radio show and I'm the RJ, I'll be taking a song request, but before that, a small disclaimer. Now, I've been a treasurer at Mumbai Toastmasters, and as you know, the favorite activity of treasurer is cutting down on budgets and resources. So what I've done is I have also cut down on the playlist that the radio station had available at their end, and right now I have 6 songs from which I'll read out the three of the songs to you. You can pick up any one and we will play that for you. So your song options are, the first song is, we have the song Quit Playing Games from Backstreet Boys. We have Naina Da Kasoor from the movie Andhadhun, and we have Gungru song from the movie War. Which one would you like to listen?
Gungru.
So for guest Chitra and for all the listeners, here's the song Gungru.
क्यों लम्हे खराब करे, गलती बेहिसाब करे, दो पल की जो नींद उड़ी पूरे सारे ख्वाब करे, क्या करने हैं उम्रों के वादे, ये जो रहते हैं रहने दे आने, 2 बार नहीं 1 बार सही, एक रात की कर ले तू यारी, सुबह तक बाकी मेरी बात, तू ऐसे रोज ना जी आज ये घुंघरू.
Thank you so much, guest Chitra. It was lovely interacting with you.
Thank you so much.
We will now take another guest introduction. Zoom Master, could you unmute and spotlight the video for guest Vinod, please? We have guest Vinod or guest Josh, either one of them. Hi, Josh.
Hi, Vasani. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing? Where are you joining us from?
Joining you from Singapore today.
Absolutely love the place.
So it's fantastic to join you. I'm the chartering president for NTT Asia Pacific Toastmasters Club, which will be a virtual online club, and fantastic coming to support Krishna today, who's also going to be a member of NTT Asia Pacific Club. So wonderful speech, Krishna. Very proud of you, and you're doing an amazing job. Wonderful to hear about your life story. So, and thank you guys for allowing us to join today.
Thank you so much, Josh. Now, we've already heard about where are you from, and you are a Toastmaster, so we will dive in right into the song request. So I'll make it a little difficult for you. I'll give you one English song, and I'll give you a couple of Hindi songs. Do you listen to Bollywood music
Oh,
anytime?
I love Bollywood. Absolutely. Don't worry about the English song. Give me the Bollywood one.
Okay, awesome. So, Toastmaster Josh, your Bollywood song options are, we have the song Naina Da Kasoor from Andhadhun movie, we have a song from Dil Bechara movie, and we have a song from Shri 420 movie. Shri 420 is a comparatively older movie as compared.
Oh yeah, that one. It matches my age.
Okay, absolutely. So for Toastmaster Josh and for all the listeners, here's a song from Shri 420.
किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है।
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Josh. Would you want to give it a try in terms of singing it?
Oh no. When it comes to singing, definitely no. But certainly speaking different.
Absolutely. So namaste and welcome to Mumbai Toastmasters. It was lovely interacting with you.
Namaste as well. Thank you so much.
Okay, so now we will move back to our prepared speeches. Our third speech is a level 3 project 1 speech from the path Motivational Strategies. The speech will be given by Toastmaster Mumtaz, but before I invite her on stage, I would like to request Toastmaster Pratikrit to read out the speech objectives. For reading out the speech objectives. Zoom Master, could we spotlight Toastmaster Mumtaz? Thank you so much, Toastmaster Mumtaz, for the wonderful speech. Emotions can cause commotion or promotion. Our next speaker is Toastmaster Dharamveer Gupta, and he'll be attempting his level 3 project 2 speech from the path Persuasive Influence. Zoom Master, may I request you to please spotlight Toastmaster Dharamveer Gupta, please. Yeah. Toastmaster Dharamveer Gupta, your speech title is Toastmaster Dharamveer Gupta, Be Positive. Be Positive, Toastmaster Dharamveer Gupta. Thank you so much, Toastmaster Dharamveer Gupta, for that speech. May I now invite the timer one, Toastmaster Tanvi, to read out the timing report for prepared speeches. Toastmaster Tanvi for the timing report. So as I understand, Toastmaster Mohsin, Toastmaster Krishna, and Toastmaster Mumtaz have qualified for the voting of best prepared speaker. Zoom Master, do we have the ballot, the voting ballot ready? Okay, I can see that on screen. So may I please request all the listeners to vote for your best, vote for the best prepared speaker. We have 30 seconds to do the same. Zoom Master, do we have all the votes in as yet?
No, we don't. We still have about 5 or 6 votes to go. We'll give it 10 more seconds and close.
Absolutely. Okay. 10
You can now
seconds.
proceed. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Dimple. Listeners, that brings us to the end of the prepared speeches, but do stay tuned in for the table topic session, which will be conducted by Toastmaster Rujuta on the other side of this commercial ad break.
कुछ खास है हम सभी में, कुछ बात है हम सभी में, बात है खास है, कुछ स्वाद है, क्या स्वाद है जिंदगी में।
Thank you so much, and I will hand over the stage to our table topic master RJ Rujuta to conduct the table topic session. Thank you so much, Toastmaster Rujuta, for the wonderfully conducted table topic session. Interesting topics, and must I say, even interesting speeches on the same. Our next session is the general evaluation session, which will be conducted by General Evaluator RJ Dimple. So I'll hand over the stage to Toastmaster Dimple Mehta. Thank you so much, Toastmaster Dimple, for a wonderfully conducted general evaluation session. Constructive feedback is something that's very important in Toastmasters, and that is the one single tool from which we can continuously learn. We would now be moving to, do we have the results ready, or we'll need a little time for that?
We'll have to call for the PO and announcements, etc. before the results.
Okay, so I would like to, so in case if there are any announcements that are to be done, we can proceed with that.